higher frequency you, higher frequency me, higher frequency university.
Blessings, YouTube, blessings. So these are the containers, or rather the buckets, that I will be using for my lazy garden. I purchased them a couple years back and have been recycling them every year since. I also use this flat bin for my cantaloupe and zucchini and cucumber, as those are low-lying vines. The cantaloupe are anyway. So the starter seedlings did not make it. Some of them did. The cantaloupe and zucchini and cucumber did, but the rest died. They succumbed to legging, which means that they did not have enough light to sustain them. And so what they did was they sprouted up really tall, and then they keeled over under the weight of their leaves because they just weren't strong enough. So I just went ahead and got some starters from the store, and that's what I will be using in my lazy garden. So this is everything in the containers. I got these two bigger containers because I wanted to see if there would be a difference in growth. So as you can see, I have everything lined up here. Eventually I will have to move them, spread them out more as they grow bigger. But everything is doing really, really, really well. The transfer was successful. I even already have a flower on my eggplant. Carrot bush, and the peppers, all the peppers. So the transfer was successful. And basically what I did was I just recycled the soil that was there. Those that needed adding more, I added a little more too, but that was basically it. I recycled the same soil year after year. It has nutrients in there. So this is my setup for now. A dahlia from the roots that I planted early on, those did survive, and they're thriving actually really nicely. And so this is after some rain, and after about a month or two. And as you can see, everything took really, really nicely. Cauliflower is taking. The way that you know is that they're growing. Look at my cucumber. Look at my zucchini. Look at the cantaloupe. And they're vining over into that little area. I hope that they vine and grow in there where they won't be touched. I lost my cantaloupe last year to the lawnmower, so that's why I put everything on the concrete this year, so that we won't have to move them too much. Eggplant, carrot bush doing nicely. The peppers are growing. Look how many leaves are on here now. Got a little pepper here. I'm gonna snip it off to encourage more growth. Tomato plant looking nice. The tomato that I salvaged, look at it, how much it's grown. The okra. This tomato back here, I don't know. But look, this okra is still growing, looks nice. Look at that, salvaged. And this is the setup, guys. I'm really excited. We had quite a bit of rain this summer, helping them grow, helping them along. This is just 2 days later. And look at how much more growth experienced. Look at that. My Brussels sprouts look great compared to just days ago. And look at the cauliflower compared to just days ago. Look at that. Cucumber. Look at the cantaloupe vining in, carrots. And you can see the side by side right there. All the peppers. Peppers look nice. Still have to snip this one off. Let's see, there's two back here. Can you see them? There's one right there on the right, and there's another one on the left. Tomato plant is looking beautiful. No flowers yet. We need the flowers so we know that the vegetables are coming. The okra growing nicely. And that's about it, folks. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do so that you'll be notified when I make the next update to my lazy garden. This is Empress T, thanking you for watching my channel. I am abundantly, graciously, and infinitely yours. Blessings.
Higher frequency. Higher frequency.